Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset or restart this smart band. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. Now scroll through the settings and find the system option. Once you find the system option, tap on it, and here we have the option called restart. Once you find it, tap on it. Let's tap on it like this, and then tap on this restart button to confirm. And now let's wait until the rebooting process is complete. It takes about maybe 5 seconds, a little bit longer probably. Okay, and we're back in the system, and that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.